Good afternoon, dear students. So this video is related to your Zoom class. So physical education, our first chapter is going on, in which identification of various bones topic is going on. So third is thorax, ribs and sternum. So what are ribs bones? There are 12 pairs or 24 ribs. These are known as ribs. Okay, so the ribs are flat and thin bones. They are attached behind to the thoracic vertebrae. They provide protection to the vital organs in the upper body. So the organs that are present between, like lungs and heart. Okay, so the function of this rib cage is to protect them. And also rib cage provide shape and support to our chest. Also this rib cage protect stomach, other organs like stomach, spleen and kidneys. Okay, also help in breathing process. So there are three types of ribs. So these are ribs. They are 24 or 12 pairs are there. So these ribs are divided into three categories: true ribs, false ribs and floating ribs. Okay, so first 7 pairs of ribs are known as true ribs. So these true ribs are connected with the spine at the back and with the sternum bone at the front. Okay, now what are false ribs? False ribs from 8 to 10, the pair of ribs from 8, 9, 10 are called false ribs. So what is the difference between true and false ribs? False ribs are connected with the spine at the back but are not connected to the sternum at the front. They are connected to the last true rib. False ribs are connected with the last true rib at the front but are not connected to the sternum. So what is third? Floating ribs. So there are 12 pairs, 7 pairs are true ribs, other 3 pairs are false ribs and remaining 2 pairs are floating ribs. So why they so called floating ribs? Because they are connected with the spine at the back but are not connected with any other Okay, so but they are not connected to anything at the front, not with the sternum, not with the last rib. Okay, so that's why they are called floating ribs. Now what is sternum? The sternum is also called breastbone. Okay, so this is called sternum, like present at the front of our chest. So the sternum is also called breastbone. It is a long, flat and narrow bone. Its shape is just like a necktie. See, its shape is just like a necktie. Okay, so it is located in the center of chest. It is connected to the ribs. All ribs are connected to the sternum. So mostly ribs are connected to the sternum. So true ribs are connected to the sternum and false ribs are connected to the last true rib. Okay, so ribs are connected to the sternum.